airport. There's where we're going to be landing. We've made it home. Pull in 10 degrees of flap. Start reducing our power. Carb heat's on, mixture's rich, primer's locked, seatbelt secured, 10 degrees of flap, fuel's on the left tank. Door secure, not that it needs to be, we can fly with that door wide open. A little high air, so let's slip this in. As soon as you start slipping with floats on, it just wants to drop out of the sky. A little bit of up trim. Oh, little bounce. Auto rudder's down. Rudder flaps up. But we're going to actually taxi in with the plane on the left side. Let's take one mag off to slow us down.
Alright, master's off, mags are off.